Baby, this is a stuffed cookie recipe and it is so easy and there's so many different like combinations you can do with it. So let's just get into it real quick. Get you a cake mix, get you 2 eggs per box, and then all you have to do is add a third cup of vegetable oil. That is it. Mix it. I like to refrigerate mine just so it's a little more firm before I stuff it. Another tip would be to get the frosting, make it into balls, and then put it in the freezer first, just so it is frozen before you put it in, because that's how you make sure it's a good consistency when you bake it. And another thing is, when you bake it for at least like 17 minutes, because I noticed some parts of it wasn't baked to its fullest potential. So just keep that in mind. And these are super easy. You'll impress people. This flavor I call is Black people's birthday cake because it's yellow cake with chocolate frosting. And then the classic red velvet. Both were delicious. Just bake for a little longer than I put on the bag. That's it. That's all. You're welcome. Follow for more cooking.